do you feel that filing duty drawback opens an importer up to more scrutiny and targeting by U.S. Customs?
No, not in the sense of a bad thing. If you file a drawback claim, anything that you file, it's subject to question. Customs, generally may not just give you the money back. They may have several questions on that particular claim. But I don't think it makes you any more likely than your average importer to be subject to a customs audit.
I would agree with you. I don't think that.
That's in my experience.
Yeah, and no, I would absolutely agree. We have a lot of customers that participate in the program, whether it's through us, whether it's through you, a consultant, somebody else involved. So I definitely don't think that it really raises the red flag too much. I think misclassification, or what we really saw is when these new Section 301s came out, right? It was a good opportunity for people to go look at their tariff classifications, and you had good actors saying, well, maybe it does and maybe it doesn't. But of course we have those bad actors too that said, wait a minute, I'm just going to say now it's this tariff and it no longer applies. So to me, those are the types of things that bring on a lot more scrutiny than now I'm going to participate in the duty drawback program.
That's right. I mean, the drawback program's there for people to use, just like the import program. And just by virtue of exercising your right to do so, it isn't really going to bring any undue scrutiny. Like you said, it's when you start playing games and you get caught, that's when you'll start to see more scrutiny. Customs only has limited resources. They're going to focus them on their known bad actors, more so than just random checks on your good faith importer or drawback.
Absolutely. Well, with